Thikũ ya gatano riu arutwo aria makinyitie gikiro-ini gia kibũrũri mathako-ini ma ngerekano maria marathie na mbere mwena wa Naikuru ni mathiete na mbere na kuonania iheo ciao kuri aria mekinyitie kuona mathako maya thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Lions. Umuthi magithie na mbere toria megubangitwo. No umuthi ni mugaru na muthenya wa kana kuona namba ya maabitha borithi ni nini muno ungiringithania na muthenya wa ira riria andiki a mohoro arutwo ona muingi marang'ethanirwo nao ni borithi tekinai.
Save for yesterday's small incident, we are very happy and all the learners, everybody is safe and secure in this place.
Ngahiha iraumanire no rugari uri ithako ria thukuru wa iritu wa Butere Echoes of War riratungitie thirikari ya William Ruto. Mwandiki ministry-ini ya githomo Julius Bitok akiruma kinina kuga ati arutwo a thukuru ucio matikuheo mweke ungi wa gutabania monanio ma ithako riri.
We are going to do a thorough review of rules and regulations so that incident don't occur again in future. Our aim is to ensure that we refine the rules, to ensure that everybody is given a fair chance and that everybody gets an opportunity to display their talent. So my message to Butere girls is that, of course, we have another festival next year. Let them practice, and then next year they'll be given a chance. And I want to say that we expect them to be able to stick to the rules and regulations of the drama festivals going forward.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Kakamega arutwo 38 a thukuru uyu wa Butere ni marakinyire thukuru-ini ucio rungu rwa urangiri murumu wa maabitha a borithi utuku wa ira, na thutha ucio maramukira motaro kurumirira tharikira iria maratungirio na muno guikirio ndogo nduru ya guita maithori.
They are actually traumatized. They are crying. You know, when you look on each face, you know, they are crying. They are so devastated. We pray that God in His mercy will cause healing.
Na rucini rwa muthi umwe thutha wongi aciari a ciana ici ni mekinyitie thukuru-ini uyu kugira ciana ciao niguo kumainukia makanyitanire na arutwo angi aria mari rutha rwa tamu ya mbere. Maya magithiaga na mbere wakiri Kenechesa wa mwandiki wa ithako riri ria ngerekano ria Echoes of War Cleopas Malala akiuga ni mathiete igoti-ini gutetia ruhonge rwa githomo nikiria arauga ni kwagarara watho wa igoti. Monanio maya matanyitwo gugatirirwo muthenya wa Kiumia na aria makahotana magie na mweke wa mwanya wa gucanjamura President William Ruto thingira-ini wa Naikuru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.